Alright, today's video, modifying the safety on the Pheonix arms, HP22. Here's the modified safety. I have the stock safety in the gun right now. But first, a quick unpackaging package from Pheonix arms. I really want this gun to be good. I really hope this gun was built on a Wednesday and it's a good one. People either say this is the worst gun ever or it's one of their favorite guns. I want it to be a good gun. So I ordered a few things from Pheonix arms to give it a better chance of being a good gun. Alright, I picked up 2 magazines and recoil springs. I think there's like six of them in here. Yeah, it looks like 6. But a lot of people change the recoil springs after like 1,000 rounds. It's cheap. It's like $5 I think for 6 recoil springs. So I went ahead and picked up 6 and 2 mags. So now I have 3. So we'll look at, it's a magazine. I need to open that. So recoil springs and magazines. So stock safety's in here. Magazine. So right now, this gun has the firing pin block. I'll just go ahead and leave it up. Well, actually, I'll drop it so I can drop the hammer. Okay, and you have a safety here. So with the gun in fire, you can't drop the slide. With the gun in safe, you can't rack the slide back. So, but with the gun in safe, you could drop the magazine. So you have to put the gun in fire to rack the slide back. No hold open feature, you got to do it manually. There you go. So I'm gonna fix that right now, and I'll show you guys the difference between the stock safety and the modified one. Okay, here's what's going on with the stock safety. Stock safety's in place, grip is off, so magazine in. So when the gun's in safe, you could drop the magazine. When the gun's in fire, you can't, because there's a metal piece on the safety. It extends out to the button. The metal extends out to the button, so you can't press it. So that's why you have to have it in safe to drop the magazine. So here's a modified safety so that it's not blocking that button in fire. Just cut a piece of metal out. And to do that, all you need is tin snips. You don't need any fancy tools. So now when the gun's in fire, it's going to clear. It's going to clear that button. So here you go. So fire. Now I can drop the magazine. And here's another thing that's going on. When the gun's in safe, no magazine. Now you also can't drop into fire because of this bar. That doesn't bother me. A lot of people cut it, remove it. I think you could slip something under there to, little thin piece of metal slip under there to keep this propped up. You could remove it or you could cut it. I'm personally not going to do anything with it because the way I want to operate this gun, it's in fire. So shoot all my rounds out of ammo, drop the magazine, put a new one in. Now it's a re-rack. That's it. So that doesn't bother me. This metal bar, I'm just gonna leave it alone. It's no big deal to me. See, I can't rack the slide back with no magazine, but that's no big deal. My issue was I want to be able to just keep the gun in fire. Keep the gun in fire, shoot up all my ammo, drop the mag, shoot up all my ammo, drop the mag, put another one in. So there's no hold back feature. So shoot up the ammo, drop the mag, put a new mag in with ammo, rack it, and good again. So I have 3 to work with now. So yeah, I'm not cutting that bar. I want to keep this nice for warranty purposes. So if you want, cut the bar, remove it, bend it up permanently, slip like a piece of safety pin under there. It's up to you, but like I said, it's not important to me to rack the slide back with the gun in safe. It's no big deal. See, when the gun, let's say, you know, you're whatever, you get a jam, it's already in fire, so you drop the magazine, see, the safety is already holding it up, so you can still rack the slide back when it's in fire. So let me put the grip screws back in. Okay, guns put back together, grip screws, modified safety, the gun is in fire. Let's go ahead and play pretend like Barney the dinosaur. So let's pretend all these magazines are loaded. So you put a magazine in, rack it back, bang, pow, bow, boom, whichever one you like. So out of ammo. I don't have to put it in safe, just simply drop the magazine, put another one in, rack it back because there's no slide hold open feature, bow, boom, bang, pow, out of ammo again, and last one, right slide back. So boom, 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 bang, pow. Alright, we're done. So there it is. Now I don't have to put it in safe to drop the magazine. It's just nice and smooth now. I like that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Pow, pow, bang. So there you go. So like I said, the only thing I didn't modify was the bar, because the only thing is, see, with the magazine out, gun in fire. See, if you get a jam, for example, you could still drop the magazine and move the gun. It just doesn't do it in safe, because now that bar went down with the magazine in and the safety down, that bar is up. But I don't care, because all I care about is the gun being in fire and being able to drop the magazine. That's it. I'm not modifying that bar because I don't have to. I don't see the need for my usage, and preserve the warranty. I don't want Pheonix Arms to have any reasons to not honor my warranty, and that's why I'm keeping this. I really want this gun to be good. If this gun's good, I might buy another one for 2 hands. Pop, 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 pop. Alright everyone, kick ass, be safe, take it easy.